Hello. In this lecture, we will see the user-defined exceptions handling. First, basically, what is user-defined exception handling? User-defined exception handling is the exceptions that occur due to the input or any requirement that doesn't supports to our desired output. Suppose in this example, we are supposed to input the percentage, right? The percentage for any subject must be between 1 to 100. So inputting any integer value in a program is not an exception of Java. But in this concept, inputting the value greater than 0 or less than 1, it will have an exception for our concept. So handle such type of runtime exceptions which depends on our logic is basically comes under the user defined exception. Now see, for handling this, we will use the keyword throw. Throw means here the throw is the keyword. Throw means it will throw the object of any exception that we will define with any message we want to show to the user. It is basically throwing an object of an exception. So see, in this example, we are taking the input from the user that you must be less than 100. See here, we are giving it 103, that is for in our concept it must be higher than 100. So you enter like what it will be the value of percentage. We are trying that if p is greater than 100, so it is not desirable, then throw a exception new. This means the object of an exception has been thrown with a message percentage greater than 100. So if it is thrown, then it will be accepted or it will be cached by the catch block. The exception object will be here handled by this exception e, and whatever the message has been passed through this throw statement, then it will be printed here. Let's see the example of this output of this. We are using Java C, throw exception Java. See, the enter the percentage must be less than, we have entered 103. Now the exception caught is java.lang exception percentage is greater than 100. So if you are entering 103 in any other program, it is not an exception, but according to the our requirement it is an exception, so it comes under the user defined exception. What happen if we input 93, right? See, your percentage is 93. What is the difference between is that if you are entering the value greater than 100, then the exception catch block is executed, and whatever the message we want to display, it is going it will be get displayed. And if it is under the range, then the normal sequence of the program will be run. So first of all, the first condition will be checked. If the condition is false, means p is less than p is greater than 100, then it will come to the here throw new exception percentage, means it is creating an object of exception, and with a message string percentage greater than 100, and it will be thrown. Okay, so it is thrown from inside the try block, then it will be catched by the catch exception catch block, and the object of this exception will be handled by this. So if the value is greater than 100, the first statement is, second is, and third is, the this object string will get replaced by the percentage greater than 100, and this will be printed. Okay, thank you.